What is Active Skin Repair? Active Skin Repair is a topical skincare product that is designed to support the natural healing process of the skin. It utilizes a technology known as hypochlorous acid, HOCl, which is a naturally occurring molecule produced by the human body's immune system. Active Skin Repair aims to promote the healing of various skin conditions, including cuts, burns, rashes, and other skin irritations. How does Active Skin Repair work? Active Skin Repair works by harnessing the power of hypochlorous acid, HOCl, a compound that is naturally produced by our immune cells to combat infection and promote healing. HOCl is a safe and effective antimicrobial agent that helps kill bacteria, fungi, and viruses, while also reducing inflammation and supporting the body's healing process. When applied to the skin, Active Skin Repair's formulation delivers a stable and pH-balanced solution of hypochlorous acid. This helps create an optimal environment for the skin to heal by providing antimicrobial protection, reducing redness and swelling, and promoting tissue repair. The active ingredients in Active Skin Repair work together to support the skin's natural healing mechanisms. Features and benefits of Active Skin Repair. Versatile healing. Active Skin Repair can be used to treat a wide range of skin conditions, including cuts, scrapes, burns, sunburns, insect bites, rashes, and post-procedure irritations. Fast healing. The formula is designed to accelerate the healing process, helping the skin recover more quickly from various injuries or irritations. Natural and non-toxic. Active Skin Repair is made with naturally occurring ingredients and is free from harmful chemicals, synthetic fragrances, and dyes. It is safe for all ages, including infants and pregnant women. Antibacterial and antimicrobial. The hypochlorous acid in Active Skin Repair has potent antimicrobial properties, helping to eliminate harmful bacteria, fungi, and viruses that may cause infections. Anti-inflammatory. Active Skin Repair reduces inflammation and soothes irritated skin, providing relief from itching, redness, and swelling. Non-stinging and non-irritating. The gentle formulation of Active Skin Repair makes it suitable for sensitive skin and minimizes discomfort during application. How to use Active Skin Repair? Cleanse the affected area gently with mild soap and water, and pat it dry. Spray or apply a thin layer of Active Skin Repair directly onto the affected area, ensuring complete coverage. Let it air dry for a few minutes. There is no need to rinse it off. Apply Active Skin Repair 2 to 3 times per day or as needed until the skin is fully healed. Active Skin Repair Review. Pros and cons. Pros. Versatile. Active Skin Repair is suitable for various skin conditions and can be used by individuals of all ages. Accelerates healing. The product promotes faster healing and helps reduce the risk of infections. Natural and safe. Active Skin Repair is made with natural ingredients, is non-toxic, and free from harmful chemicals. Convenient application. The spray or gel format allows for easy and targeted application. Non-irritating. The gentle formula minimizes discomfort and is suitable for sensitive skin. Cons. Effectiveness may vary. Results may differ depending on the severity of the condition and individual response. Availability. Active Skin Repair may not be widely available in all regions, requiring online purchase or limited distribution. Active Skin Repair price and where to buy. Active Skin Repair is available for purchase on the official website of the manufacturer. We provide this device's price and details link in the description. Please check out the description links, which include free shipping and a 90-day money-back guarantee.